Slow it down before they pave it. A truck rolls up on a sunny day, says, I got a deal if you start today. He talks real smooth, says the price is low, but there's a lot underneath that you don't know. Could be honest work, could be alright, could be trouble dressed up nice. Before you shake, before you save, you better know who's about to pave. Check the name, check the claim, make sure the story stays the same. If they rush you, walk away. There's no good job built that way. Slow it down before they pave it. Don't let pressure make you pay. Get it written, get it clear. Don't let fast talk steer the way. 3 good bids on 1 page, line them up and read them straight. A cheap blacktop road can break your heart. Slow it down before they pave it. Yeah. One man says the base looks fine, one says water's crossing lines. One talks stone, one talks grade, one sends a price in. Fades away. Some use wheels and some use maps. Some draw boxes, lines and paths. The tool don't matter half as much as knowing what they're pricing up.
What did they all say the same? What did one man catch by name? Put the scope on 1 clean sheet, then make them quote the same concrete. Slow it down before they pave it. Don't just chase the lowest price. A deal that sounds too good today can cost you twice somewhere down the line. Same job, same scope, same page. That's how you compare it right. Cheap ain't fair if it ain't there.
Slow it down before they pave it. Reviews can't help, but they can lie.
Websites shine with pretty lights.
Insurance details, written plans.
That's what puts truth in your hands.
A good one won't run from questions.
A good one takes the time.
A good one shows you what they see
before they ever paint a line.
Slow it down before they pave it.
Make them show you what they mean.
How much stone, how much asphalt,
what gets fixed and what gets cleaned.
Pick the one who talks it through.
Pick the one who earns that name.
A driveway's more than 1 day's work.
Slow it down before they pave it.
Slow it down before they pave it.
Whoa, don't let fear decide the cost.
Your home, your money, your driveway.
Know exactly what you bought.
Fair ain't always cheap, my friend.
And cheap ain't always safe.
Ask the questions, read the lines.
Then let the right one pave.
Slow it down before they pave it.
Slow it down
before they pave.
Slow it down.
Slow it down before they pave it.
That's how you protect your place. Don't rush the deal, don't chase the wave. Slow it down before they pave it.
Good work waits, scams move fast. Ask smart questions and make the driveway last. They pulled up slow in a dusty old truck. Said, neighbor, today must be lucky love. We got extra asphalt from a job nearby. Cash price now, and we'll let it fly. I looked in my driveway, cracked and gray. Almost let that smooth talk steal my day. Then I heard that warning ring true. A real good deal don't pressure you. When they say right now, that's when you slow down. When they want cash fast, turn the truck around. Don't let them roll you, don't let them rush. Don't trade your money for a bucket of dust. Get it in writing, check who they are. A real contractor won't hide in the dark. No proof, no plan, no company name. That ain't a bargain, that's a warning flame. Don't let them roll you, don't let them win. Shut that scam before it rolls in. Yeah, ask for an estimate, ask for a card. That's why the deal has to hit so hard. Ask for insurance, address and dates. Ask what's included before it's too late. If they won't ride it, if they won't wait. If every answer turns into a debate. You don't need proof they're running a kind. You got enough reason to tell them gone. A good crew explains, a bad crew complains. A good crew can wait, a bad crew needs your name. Don't let them roll you, don't let them rush. Don't trade your money for a bucket of dust. Get it in writing, check who they are. A real contractor won't hide in the dark. No proof, no plan, no company name. That ain't a bargain, that's a warning flame. Don't let them roll you, don't let them win. Shut that scam before it rolls in. Compare those bids, keep records too. Pay in stages when the work comes through. Don't pay full before they start. Don't let fear overrule your heart. Call local help if something feels wrong. A smart slow no keeps your money strong. Don't let them roll you, don't let them rush. Don't trade your money for a bucket of dust. Get it in writing, check who they are. A real contractor won't hide in the dark. No cash pressure, no mystery crew. No, today only trick on you. Don't let them roll you, don't let them win. Shut that scam before it rolls in. Good work waits, scams move fast. Ask smart questions and make that driveway last. When a truck rolls up with no name on the door, saying we got extra blacktop from a job before. Don't walk outside trying to prove you're tough. That's how good people get caught in bad stuff. Write down the time, write down the day, the street, the city, the direction it came, color of the truck, trailer, plate, any number they gave, any name they claimed. If they hand you a car, don't throw it away. That little scrap might help build a case. Fly a phone number, price they say. Cash up front, a check instead. Report the crew, don't chase the crew. Let the right people do what they do. Call the police, save the plate. Write it all down before it's too late. Bad CP, BBB, FTC, to bank, a car company. If they took money from you, don't stand in the road, don't start a fight. Just gather the proof and report it right. Report the crew. Report the crew. Yeah. They knocked on your door with a deal that was fast, saying this price is good, but it won't last. That's not a blessing falling from the sky. That's a red flag wearing work boots and a lie. Take photos only if it's safe. Doorbell cameras can help with the case. Workers to close, trucks, signs, tools in the bed. Anything strange that was done or said? Did they claim they were working nearby? Did they say the asphalt would go bad tonight? Did they push for cash before the work was through? That's the kind of detail investigators use. Report the crew, don't chase the crew. Let the right people do what they do. Call the police, save the plate. Write it all down before it's too late. That's CP, BBB, FTC, to bank, a car company. If they took money from you, don't stand in the road, don't start a fight. Just gather the proof and report it right. Report the crew. Pay, don't just sit there mad. Start building a file with everything you have. Contractors to make invoice receipt. Photos of the driveway, curb and street. Text and calls, check images too. Bank records showing what went through. Names they used, numbers they gave. Every promise they made that day. If you paid by car, call right away. That's what can be disputed. What records to say? If it was cash, still make the report. The paper trail matters even when it's short. Because one small detail, one plate, one name might connect your story to somebody else's pain. That's how patterns start to show. That's how the next homeowner knows. Report the crew, don't chase the crew. Let the right people do what they do. Call the police, save the plate. Write it all down before it's too late. That's CP, BBB, FTC, to bank, a car company. If they took money from you, don't stand in the road, don't start a fight. Just gather the proof and report it right. Report the crew. Call local law enforcement when they're still around. Give the truck, the trailer, the plate, the town. File with that CP for home improvement fraud. Send the paperwork, every receipt you got. Use BBB, scam trackers so others can see. File a complaint if there's a real company. Tell the FTC so the pattern gets traced. Back crews move fast, but records leave a face. Do not threaten, do not follow, do not block the truck. Do not hand them more money just because they rush. Save the car, save the call, save the call, save the tape, save it all. Wide photos, close shots, where the date, promises made, get it in writing, keep it calm. That's how you fight back when the work goes wrong. Report the crew, don't chase the crew. Let the right people do what they do. Call the police, save the plate. Write it all down before it's too late. That's CP, BBB, FTC, to bank, a car company. If they took money from you, don't stand in the road, don't start a fight. Just gather the proof and report it right. Report the crew. A good report ain't revenge. So warning for the next driveway down. One plate, one name, one receipt can help protect the town. So when the deal feels wrong and the price drops low, don't argue with the scam. Document, report, let them go.